that God is destined to be. So are you. Under the views education in tight road, challenges in all situations, too hard to grow. But with teachers in motion, everything is set in place. With a smart head's devotion, everyone's glad and to raise. City division of Masbate, on top you always want to be. In sports and any competition, victory no longer an option. Onward we go with our vision, and as our next our dedication. So our youth will see the glory that God is destined to be. City division of Masbate, on top you always want to be. In sports and any competition, victory no longer an option. Onward we go with our vision, in as earnest our dedication. So our youth will see the glory that God is destined to be. So our youth will see the glory that God is destined to be.
Olá, olá. La 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 la. La 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 la. How dare you? Let go. Let go. Let go.
Division.
Under the youth's education in tight road, challenges in all situations, too hard to grow. But with teachers in motion, everything is set in place. With a smart hands devotion, everyone's glad and to raise. City Division of Masbate, on top you always want to be. In sports and any competition, victory no longer an option. Onward we go with our vision, and as our next our dedication. So our youth will see the glory that God destined them to be.
Let us welcome Bicol Central School DXMC with the delegates from the home of Cowboys, Masbate Province.
Pack your bags and take the trail. One that gives you lots of thrill. You ain't getting, baby, all the real fun till the rodeos begun. Tell your mom you're going fast, where the cowboys beat the dust. You ain't looking, baby, at the real man. Whoa, till the rodeos begun. Rodeo must be tenure. Rodeo must be tenure. Come shake me all around and take me off the ground. Turn me round and round on the greatest Filipino rodeo. Real horses take
Masbate Province Division Athletic Delegation. Governor Honorable Antonio T. Co. Vice Governor Honorable Jo Christine C. Reville. Congressman, 1st District Representative Honorable Maria Vida E. Bravo. 2nd District Representative Honorable Elisa Olga T. Co. 3rd District Representative Honorable Scott Davis S. Lanete. Schools Division Superintendent Josel Doncilio Cesofar. Assistant Schools Division Superintendent Raimundo M. Cantonmos and Melchizedek C. Tongko. CID Chief Dorothy I. Daniel. SGOD Chief Rinaldi M. Male. And Division School Sports Officer Rufino B. Arellano. very much, Masbate Province Division.
We would like also to acknowledge the presence of Honorable Board Member Paul Bilin, together with Honorable Board Member Ralph Andes, Honorable Board Member JP Lee, and Honorable Board Member Alan Ranyola from the province of Albay. Let us clap our hands for Dr. Domingo G. Absedi and Elementary School DXMC, with the delegates from the place of warm, friendly, and ever-smiling people, Sorsogon City.
From the character city of Bicolandia, here comes the Sorsogon City Division Delegates. 408 strong athletes, coaches, trainers, chaperones, and officials, headed by OIC Schools Division Superintendent Dr. Nympha D. Guemo. We are here to fight, get the gold, and celebrate with glory. We are guided by the division's mantra: one goal, one move towards a culture of excellence. This endeavor is fully supported by the strong leadership of Sorsogon City, Mayor Sally Antili, and the members of Sangguniang Panlunsod. We are proud Sorsoganons. We are blessed with beautiful sceneries. Come and visit the enchanting Paguriran Island, the most popular Buhatan River Cruise, and the newest tourism hub, the Rompiolas. Explore with us and discover the language of our hearts and soul. The celebration of Pili Festival every month of June, featuring our main products, culture, our identity, and tourism potentials. We have all this because Sorsogon City loves life. We are strong, motivated, and ready to compete. Go, Sorsoganos! Go for gold!
Gentlemen, the Sorsogon City Division Athletic Delegation. Mayor, Honorable Sally A. Lee. Vice Mayor, Honorable Jonathan Balintong. Councilors, Honorable Dave Duran, Honorable Aldin Ayo, Honorable Enigo Destacamento, Honorable Ellen Hamisola, Honorable Chuk Lubiano, Honorable June Hamisola, Honorable Joven Laura, Honorable Manuel Giolata, Honorable Izo Atutubo, Honorable Larry Juneda, Honorable Jonas Duran, Honorable Nestor Baldon, Schools Division Superintendent Nympha D. Guemo, Assistant Schools Division Superintendent Cecil C. Ferro, CID Chief Montserrat D. Guemo, SGOD Chief Feliza D. Deliosa, and Division School Sports Officer Rico P. Estor. Thank you very much, Sorsogon City Division.
Elementary School, DXMC, are with the delegates from the melting pot of culture and influences, Sorsogon Province.
Bulkan, Bulusan, Magnubulan, Magallanes, Uban, Barcelona, Gubat, Irusin, Kasiguran, Castilla, Pilar, Dunsol, Rito Diaz, Bakun, Sorsogon, Asinipa, pang mga baryong Darakul, Malaumawan, Makalaya, Darakulan, Sira, Tumalaytay, bumabang tarong, Jampig, Darakuk, ang hiripon, Liptong, Dalandang Karan, Yaw ng Katamisan, San Vicente, Tanggurangan, Makamuti, Mauma.
Ladies and gentlemen, the Sorsogon Province Division Athletic Delegation, Governor Honorable Bobet Lee Rodrigueza, Vice Governor Honorable Esther Hamor, Congressman, 1st District Representative Honorable Evelina Escudero, 2nd District Representative Honorable Jogracias B. Ramos Jr., Schools Division Superintendent Loida N. Nidea, CESO 5, Assistant Schools Division Superintendent and CID Chief Maria Jenny T. Postrado, SGOD Chief Florencio P. Bermundo, Division School Sports Officer Anacleto B. Otivar, Thank you very much, Sorsogon Province Division.
Concepcion Pequeña National High School DLC and Majorates with the delegates known for their Tabak Festival. Let us give way to Tobacco City.
Tobacco City, City of Love and Pajak capital of the Philippines. Located in the eastern coast of Albay Province, Tobacco has one of the oldest churches considered as a national heritage, making Tabacaños a religious and peace-loving citizen. Our city is headed by a true Tabacaña and a woman of substance, Honorable Shelo Crisel Lagman Luistro. We are known for Tabak Festival, a colorful event performed by talented dancers and musicians. We are the maker of bolo, not only known in the Philippines, but worldwide. We also offer native products and delicacies which Tabacaños are proud of. You shouldn't have missed the captivating sunset as seen from San Miguel Island and the place Baguio like and most visited Mayon Planetarium. Along with the economic growth of the city, the education sector, Tobacco City Division, headed by the Schools Division Superintendent Amparo Evangeline P. Palencia, ensures to give excellent, holistic, and quality education to its stakeholders. With the joint hand of the local government unit with the coordination of Mr. Domingo C. Set Batalon, the Division School Sports Officer. Pungkaras Tabako, Uragan Kabaga, go Purple Bladers!
Presenting ladies and gentlemen, the Tobacco City Division Athletic Delegation. Mayor, Honorable Shelo Crisel Lagman Luistro. Vice Mayor, Honorable Nestor T. San Pablo. Councilors, Honorable Luis Renier B. Burse, Honorable Sheena Marie C. Onrupia, Honorable John G. O. Bongao, Honorable Roderick P. Martires, Honorable Arnold P. Bragais, Honorable Raul Roy P. Borejon, Honorable Oscar R. Rocha, Honorable Julio Azada Chua Jr., Honorable Hector D. Buenconsejo, Honorable Hector D. Rodriguez, Honorable Danilo C. Buenconsejo, and Honorable Preciosissima B. Tango. Schools Division Superintendent Amparo Evangeline P. Palencia. Assistant Schools Division Superintendent Maria Luisa T. De La Rosa. CID Chief Marvin C. Clarina. OIC SGOD Chief Nilo R. Panzuela. And Division School Sports Officer Domingo Set C. Botalon. Tabaco City Division.
Stronger faith, living hope, enduring love. Let us rise and walk tall and with pride. Let us move, Tabaqueños, we are one. Grow Tabaco City, grow Tabaco City, grow Tabaqueño, grow. Let us be like
We would like to acknowledge the presence of LGU officials of Albay Province, Honorable Congressman Joey Sarte Salceda, and 2nd District of Albay, and Honorable Congressman Fernando Gonzalez of the 3rd District of Albay. Likewise, we would like to acknowledge the presence of Honorable Governor Al Francis C. Bichara and Honorable Board Member Ho Bilin, together with Honorable Board Member Ralph Andes. Welcome to Naga City. Let us clap our hands for the Naga Central School 2 Voyadores and Camarinesor National High School Band and Majorettes, with the delegates from the host division of Palarong, Bicol 2018, the Pilgrim City of Ina, City of Naga.
Welcome to the Queen City of Bicol, the third oldest royal city of the Philippines. The heart of Bicol, a pilgrimage city, the regional center of trade and commerce, the country's most competitive component city. Bicol region's center of education, and your maugmang lugar. This year's host to the Palarong Bicol 2018, the City of Naga.
Presenting, ladies and gentlemen, the Naga City Division Athletic Delegation, Mayor Honorable John G. Bonga, Vice Mayor Honorable Nelson S. Legacion, City Councilors Honorable Cecilia B. Velos de Asis, Honorable Gregorio R. Abunal, Honorable Jose C. Ranyola, Honorable Elmer S. Baldimoro, Honorable Mila S. D. Rakid Arroyo, Honorable Julian C. Labardia Jr., Honorable Joselito S. A. Del Rosario, Honorable Vidal P. Castillo, Honorable Rayon Cedric G. Rentoy, Honorable Salvador M. Del Castillo, Honorable Tomas Ramon A. Sanchez Jr., Schools Division Superintendent William E. Gando, CESO 6, Assistant Schools Division Superintendent Mariano B. De Guzman, CID Chief Lin C. Padillo, SGOD Chief Renato L. Gavino, and Division School Sports Officer Francisco Leo J. Damasi. Ladies and gentlemen, the Naga City Athletic Delegation. We would like to acknowledge the presence of the Vice President of the Republic of the Philippines, Madam Maria Leonor Lenny Herona Robredo. A round of applause, ladies and gentlemen.
We are proud. We want the world to come to us and be a part of our hopes, of our dreams, of a new beginning. We will make a different start. We will now open up our door, a city like you've never seen before. Come feel the vibrance, come hear us shout. Experience magic, come to the south. We love the city, we welcome you. What you've been looking for, we have it too. With our commitment, we want you to know that we are here and we're about to show that Naga smiles to the world. Naga smiles to the world. Naga smiles to the world. Smiles to the world. We are here, we are proud. We want the world to come to us and be a part of our hopes, of our dreams, of a new beginning. We will make a different start. We will now open up our door, a city like you've never seen before. Come feel the vibrance, come hear us shout. Experience magic, come to the south. With what the city will welcome you.
kasama. Buhay ko'y kumpleto na tuwing nandito ka sa tabi ko o aking giliw. Di pa din ako makapaniwala na ang dati kong pangarap ay katotohanan na. Ikaw ang tanging inspirasyon at basta't nandito ka, ako'y liligaya. Dahil sa'yo ako'y matapang, dahil sa'yo ako'y lalaban, para sa'yo pagmamahal na walang katapusan. Dahil sa'yo mayroong pangarap, mamahal ko sa'yo sinta. Basta't nandito ka, ako'y liligaya. Minuto naghihintay ng tawa mo, marinig ang boses mo, masaya't kontento na ako. Wala nang iba pang hahanapin, basta't ikaw ang aking kapiling. Lahat magagawa dahil kasama ka. Ikaw ang daming inspirasyon, at basta't nandito ka, ako'y liligaya. Dahil sa'yo ako'y matapang, dahil sa'yo ako'y lalaban, para sa'yo pagmamahal na walang katapusan. Dahil sa'yo mayroong pangarap, pagmamahal ko sa'yo'y tapat, para sa'yo pagmamahal na higit pa sa sapat. Gagawin ko ang lahat para lang sa'yo sinta. Basta't nandito ka, ako'y liligaya. Pinagdarasal ko na sobrang nasanay, tanggapin mo aking inaalay. Napasasalamat sa pag-iniwanag, ang buhay ko ito'y na dati-dati bigay ko na kay ligaya. Oh, tanggapin ang regalo, oh, mga roses sa loko. Liliwanag na ang buhay mo pag nilabas ko na ang puso ko. Ikaw ang tanging inspirasyon sa bawat araw na harapin. Gagawin ko ang lahat para lang sa'yo sundan. Basta't nandito ka, ako'y liligaya. Dahil sa'yo ako'y matapang, dahil sa'yo ako'y lalaban, para sa'yo pagmamahal na walang katapusan. Dahil sa'yo mayroong pangarap, pagmamahal ko sa'yo'y tapat, para sa'yo pagmamahal na higit na sa sapat. Gagawin ko ang lahat para lang sa'yo sinta. Basta't nandito ka, ako'y liligaya.
Naga City Division, the 2016 Palarong Bicol Overall Champion.
We are here, we are proud. We want the world to come to us and be a part of our hopes, of our dreams, of our new beginning. We will make a different start. We will now open up our door, a city like you've never seen before. Come feel the vibrance, come hear us shout. Experience magic, come to the south. With welcome city, we welcome you. What you've been looking for, we have it too. With our commitment, we want you to know that we are here and we're about to show that Naga smiles to the world, to the world, Naga smile, to the world, Naga smile, to the world, Naga smiles to the world.
The Camarines Sur National High School Band and Majorettes are with the Regional Screening and Accreditation Officials, Clerk of Course, and Technical Officials of Archery, Arnis, Athletics, and Badminton. very much.
Let us put our hands together for the Naga City Science High School DLC and majorates with the event and technical officials in basketball, baseball, boxing, and billiards. Thank you very much.
Applause for Carolina National High School DLC and majorates with chess, gymnastics, football, futsal events, and technical officials.
Mapolo Elementary School, DXMC, with the event and technical officials of Sepak Takraw, softball, swimming, and table tennis.
San Isidro DXMC are with you event and technical officials of tennis, taekwondo, volleyball, wushu, and wrestling.
Let us welcome Bicol Elementary School DXMC, together with the event and technical officials of Penjak Silat, dance sports, aero gymnastics, and special events. Thank you very much. That concludes, ladies and gentlemen, our opening parade.
At this very moment, we will be providing countless sports activities to these young athletes to build stories of sportsmanship, teamwork, and solidarity right here at Metro Naga Sports Complex as we open the Palarong Bicol 2018.
As our way of showing our unity and love for our country, let us sing the Philippine National Anthem with the Camarines National High School Band with Mr. Erwin Silieza conducting. Please stand.
We will also pray as one community with one faith, as the prayer warriors lead us to prayer.
Tayong lahat ay manalangin. Ama naming Diyos na aming Panginoon, umang aming idalangin sa iyo ang palaro na ito. Salamat po sa gabay na kami ay nakarating sa maugmang lugar ng Naga City na ligtas at higit sa lahat, masaya. Aming Diyos, naway pag-isahin mo po ang aming damdamin na yakapin at angkinin ng bawat isang manlalaro ng kalahok ang iisang hangarin, iisang pagkatao, at iisang mamamayan na abutin ang mapagpalayang edukasyon sa pamamagitan ng paglalaro. Pagpalain mo po aming Diyos ang Palarong Bicol 2018 upang ito ay maging matagumpay, mailayo sa anumang sakuna o aksidente ang bawat manlalaro, maging ang mga opisyal nito. Bagaman kaming lahat ay nagnanais na magwagi sa bawat larangan nito, naway hindi namin tingnan na kalaban ang isa't isa, kundi patuloy pa rin kaming mahinahon at gawin ang kung ano ang mas nararapat para maabot ang aming mga adhikain. Dakilang Diyos, maraming salamat po dahil binigyan niyo kami ng isang panahon na napakaganda upang maging matagumpay ang pagbubukas ng palarong ito sa loob ng mga ilang araw. Dakilang Diyos na aming Panginoon, pagpalain niyo po at sa iyo po namin ipinagkakatiwala ang buong palarong ito ng Bicol 2018. At ito ang aming samot dalangin sa pangalan ng Ama, ng Anak, at ng Espiritu Santo. Amen.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين الحمد لله رب العالمين الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيم اهدنا الصراط المستقيم اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Sa ngalan ng Allah, ang mahabagin at maunawain. Ang lahat ng kaluwalhatihan at pasasalamat at pagpuri ay kay Allah lamang. Ang Panginoon ng buong sanglibutan, pinakamatulungin at pinakamaunawain, ang tanging may hawak sa araw ng paghatol. Ikaw lamang po ang aming sasambahin at ikaw lang ang aming hihingyan ng tulong. Gabayan mo po kami sa mga tamang landas at hindi katulad ng mga naligaw ng landas. Ya Allah, Ya Allah, Rabbana atina fid dunya hasanah wa fil akhirati hasanah wa qina adzaban nar. Rabbana wa la tahmil alaina isran kama amartahu ala allazina min qablina. Rabbana wa la tuhammilna ma la taqata lana bih wa'fu 'anna waghfir lana warhamna anta maulana fansurna 'alal qaumil kafirin. Ya Allah, humingi po kami sa iyo ng tulong sa araw na ito. Na itaguyod ang larong ito sa araw na ito, ang Palarong Bicol 2018. Sana po ay gabayan mo ang mga manlalaro at ang mga coach at ang mga opisyal. Sa iyo lamang po kami humihingi ng tulong, Ya Allah. Amin. Subhana rabbuka rabbul izzat amma yasifun. Wassalamu alal mursalin. Walhamdulillah rabbil alamin.
To show harmony and unity, we will be singing the Asian hymn, Bicol Regional Hymn.
Raise our flag high, sky high. Raise our flag high, sky high, and rest the pride in our heart. Us and we are born as one, looking onward to the world. For peace now go from where there is love, and for prosperity to last. We dare to dream, we dare to share together for us now. We dare to dream, we dare to share together for us now.
Virgin of Peña Francia, renowned for healing and exceeding from dawn to dusk. We're singing our praise to Thee, where the flames, sparkling rivers and seas, hills and mountains breeze adore. From the shores across the seas, all nature's give to Thee abound. Bicolanda, Bicolanda, our native land behold. Albay, Camarines Norte, Camarines Sur, Catanduanes, Masbate, Sorsogon. Sinisogiliga, Naga, Ligaw, Legazpi, Tabaco, Sorsogon, and Masbate, abode of noble heroes, land of the free. Oh, Mount Mayon is watching over thee. Bicolanda, Bicolanda, the home of the Oragons. Fearless warriors, bold yet afraid, to truth and dignity we give in. Bicolanda, Bicolanda, the home of the Oragons. Fearless warriors, bold yet brave, to truth and dignity we give in. The truth and dignity we give
At the center of the city, proudly we stand, burning with desire to serve with honor and pride. Involving young minds will extend helping hand, upholding our values so noble and grand. We purpose geared towards the power of the youth, who leads them to bring virtues and truth, both to fulfill, protecting each one of us, finding ways to see what is righteous and just. Then and Naga, the heart of Bicolanda, the pilgrim city of Enoch, home of the noble heroes of the land, we're with you in reaching your dreams. As the world advances through modern time, together road, here our road be wide. Never feel afraid, you are here by my side. Together we can fly with God as our guide.
Thank you so much to the members of Camarines Sur National High School Band, and special thanks to the conductor, Mr. Erwin Solieza.
Special thanks also to Reverend Sancho J. Tabuso Jr. and Ustad Zubair Makala.
Please be seated. Our gratitude is likewise extended to Sir Joseph Condeno and to the Trio Voce for reminding us that even though we belong in different provinces, we can act together as one family because we are Filipinos by faith, heart, and mind. Banners play significant meanings in every event. At this very moment, each banner that will be raised will represent its division and will serve as the identity of all the athletes and officials all throughout the game. Now may I request our Regional Director, Ramon Fiel G. Absedi, together with the Assistant Regional Director, Tolentino C. Aquino.
May I also request the presence of our City Mayor, Honorable John G. Bongat, and the Vice Mayor of Naga City, Honorable Nelson S. Ligacion, to winch the Naga City Local Government Unit banner.
To hoist the delegation banners, may I call on our Schools Division Superintendent, William E. Gando, together with our Assistant Schools Division Superintendent, Mariano B. Di Guzman.
May I also request the presence of the delegation heads to raise the division banner. May we request all the delegation heads to go down, including Regional Director Ramon Absede, Assistant Regional Director Tolentino C. Aquino, our City Mayor, Honorable John G. Bongat, and Vice Mayor of Naga City, Honorable Nelson S. Ligacion, together with our Schools Division Superintendent, William E. Gando, and Assistant Schools Division Superintendent, Mariano B. Di Guzman. the Go Green E-Tribe as a manifestation of Naga City's breakthrough as the most innovative and competitive component city in the entire country, having been declared as one of the eco-friendly cities. Ladies and gentlemen, the ceremonial raising of the delegation banners.
the ceremonial raising of the delegation banners. On my count, 1, 2, 3, go! There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Approaching, ladies and gentlemen, are the Go Green E-Trike of Naga City. Once again, as a manifestation of Naga City's breakthrough as the most innovative and competitive component city in the entire country, and having been declared as one of the eco-friendly cities all over the nation. Ladies and gentlemen, the Go Green E-Trike of the city of Naga. The success or failure of any activity depends on the leader. I believe that more or less we can claim that Palarong Bicol 2018 is indeed a success, knowing that everything is put in place at the right time. Without much ado, let us welcome on stage the author of the Division Change Plan Transform Naga, the transformational leader of DepEd Naga, Schools Division Superintendent William E. Gando, CESO 6, for his opening remarks.
Hello. Transformation. Pagbabagong ganap. Ito ang nais mangyari ng DepEd Naga. Ito ang hamon sa ating lahat. Bakit? Bumabangon ngayon ang mga hamon na susubok sa ating mga kakayahan. Sa kasalukuyan, inuunos tayo kabi-kabila. Nariyan ang patuloy na pagngangalit ng kalikasan. Sunod-sunod na malalakas na bagyo. Baha na kamakailan lang ay naranasan dito sa atin. Lindol. At ngayon, pagputok pa ng bulkan. Ang masamang balita, hindi nahihinto ang mga kalamidad na ito. Patuloy silang mananalasa at magdudulot ng mga suliranin, ligalig, sakit at mga kahirapan. Idagdag pa ang mga salot na gawa ng tao, digmaan, kriminalidad, terorismo, droga, ang mga sakit na wala pang natutuklasang lunas. Kung mananatili tayo sa dati nating kalagayan at ang ipanglalaban natin sa mga bundok ng pagsubok na ito ay ang mga katutubo at dati nating kakayahan, hindi tayo mananalo. Mabibigo tayo at hindi magtatagumpay. Kaya kailangan tayong magbagong ganap. Ito ang dapat nating gawin. Ito ang dapat nating simulan. Tumuklas at mag-angkin tayo ng mga bagong kaalaman, mga higit na kakayahan, at mas malalim na mga pagpapahalaga. Ano pa po ang dahilan kaya dapat nating magbagong ganap? Dahil bukod sa mga nabanggit na pagsubok, bumabangon din ngayon ang hamon ng pag-unlad at globalisasyon. ASEAN integration na po mula pa noong 2015. Kaya ang paksa natin ay nakaugnay sa ASEAN integration upang maipaalala at maikintal sa isip at puso natin na ang tanaw natin ay hindi lamang dapat pambansa, dapat pang-ASEAN na, pang-mundo. Kaya sa mga atleta, coaches at trainers na nandito, ang dapat nasa isipan natin, hindi lang makarating sa palarong pambansa, kundi maging world class. Nandito tayo sa panahong dapat ay mulat at handa tayo makipagsabayan sa dakong ito ng mundo. Pangilan ba tayo sa Asian Games? Kumusta ang Pilipinas sa usaping pang-ekonomiya? Napag-iiwanan na po tayo. Patuloy tayong mapag-iiwanan kung hindi tayo magbabagong ganap. Papaano? Kaya po tayo nandito. Kaya po may palaro. Sa palaro, magmamasid at mag-aaral tayo. Pagmamasdan at tutularan natin ang isang kampyon. Kaya siya nananalo ay dahil sa matinding hangaring, mas paunlarin ang kanyang kakayahan. Kailangan niyang buong tiyagang magsanay, nang magsanay. Tiisin ang hirap, gutom, uhaw at pagod. Supilin, disiplinahin ang kanyang sarili. Kuminsan, kailangan pa niya itong pagdamutan upang maabot niya ang kanyang pangarap. Makasabay siya sa mga katunggali at mapagtagumpayan, maging ang sarili niyang kahinaan. Maging gaya tayo ng isang kampyon. Ito ang pagbabagong ganap na dapat nating hangarin. Ang Palarong Bicol 2018 ay isang pagkakataon upang maging kampiyon tayo sa puso at isipan. Hindi lamang dito, kundi sa tunay na buhay. Ang buhay, ang tunay na sports complex at playing venue. At ang nananalo rito ay ang patuloy na umaagapay sa mga pagbabago. Patuloy na nagbabagong ganap. Kagaya ng Metro Naga Sports Complex na ito, mula sa kahambal-hambal na kalagayan at kasiraan pagkatapos ng bagyo, dahil po sa mapagpalang kamay ng mabuting alkalde, mga konsel at opisyal ng lungsod, at bawat nagenyong nagbabayad ng buwis, ito ay bumangon at pinaging bago ang kanyang sarili upang patuloy na maging dakong likhaan ng mga kampyon. Binabati natin ang mga delegasyon mula sa lalawigan ng Albay, lungsod ng Legazpi, Tabaco, Ligao, at ilang bahagi ng Camarines Sur, dahil pinagtatagumpayan nila ang hirap na dulot ng pagputok ng bulkan at pagbangong muli. Narito sila ngayon upang magpakita sa atin ng halimbawa ng katatagan. Palakpakan po natin sila! Saganang amin sa DepEd Naga, kaya po kahit po mahirap, kasama ng aming LGU, tinanggap po namin ang pag-host nitong Palarong Bicol. 2018 kahit katatapos lang namin noong 2016. Kasi po, hinahamon namin ang aming mga sarili mula sa aming mga mag-aaral, mga guro at mga opisyal, at ngayon, lahat ng mga atletang nagenyo na magbagong ganap. Pag-usayan at higitan ang sarili, patuloy na paunlarin ang mga kakayahan. Mabuhay ang atletang nagenyo! Transform! DepEd Naga. Sa pangunguna po ng aming pinakamamahal na puno ng lungsod, Mayor John, ang kagalang-galang na mga katuwang din niya sa pamahalaan, mga kabalikat naming mga ahensya sa sektor ng pangkapayapaan, pangkaayusan, pangkaligtasan at pangkalusugan, ng lahat ng guro, opisyal at mag-aaral sa mga pampubliko at pribadong mga paaralan sa siyudad ng Naga. Taos-puso po kaming bumabati at sumasalubong sa inyo, mga ginigilaw naming panauhin. Ang ating Direktor, Sermon of Sede at mga opisyalis ng DepEd Region 5 at mga kinatawan ng LGU sa iba't ibang siyudad at lalawigan sa buong Kabikolan. Lalong-lalo na po sa ating panauhing pandangal, ang kagalang-galang na pangalawang Pangulo ng Bansa, ang kauna-unahang Bicolanong naluklok sa pangalawang pinakamataas na tungkulin sa bansa, ang ating kampyon, Ma'am Maria Leonor Rona Robredo. Tuloy po kayo sa ating Palarong Bicol 2018. Mabuhay at magbagong ganap, atletang Uragon, atletang Bicolnon. Tapos na po.
Thank you so much, Sir Gando, for transforming Naga City Division for the benefits of our students, teachers, personnel, and staff.
According to Vince Lombardi, leaders aren't born, they are made. They are made by hard effort, which is the price which all of us must pay to achieve any goal which is worthwhile.
This event will not be possible without the initiative, support, effort, and dedication of this innovative leader. He carefully examined every detail before this event was realized. He is definitely the brains of Palarong Bicol 2018, the man of aspirations, and a person who never resists to change. The city mayor of this multi-awarded city, Honorable John G. Bongat, for his welcome remarks.
Maray na banggi sa Satuya Gabos. Good evening. Magandang gabi po sa ating lahat. Erot pa po sa Gabos ang pagtaong galang sa Satuya po pinakapadangat na aki kang Naga, the great Bicolana, our very own Vice President Leni Robredo, and our very own Congressman Gabi Bordado of the 3rd District of Camarines Sur, the official dam of the City of Naga, Vice Mayor Nelson Legacion, and the City Councilors, Governors, yan po si Governor Al Francis Bichara of Albay, Governor Bobet Lee Rodrigueza of Sorsogon, Governor Kua of Catanduanes, And of course, Camarines Sur's Vice Governor Ato Peña. Congressman Gonzales, yaon man po dyan, marupakanta po. Ang mga city mayors na nakikisumaro po sa okasyon na ini, kang Bicolandia. City Mayor of Iriga City, Madel Yorobe Alfelor of Ligao City, City Mayor Patty Gonzales Alsua, and of Sorsogon City, City Mayor Sally Lee. Sa gabos po mga opisyales kang gobyerno lokal na nagkakasararo po ngunyan sa DepEd, headed by Regional Director Ramon Fiel Absede, and of course the host division, which is the division of Naga SDS Schools Division Superintendent William Gando, and the rest of the officials of DepEd, Naga, and the different divisions of Bicolandia. Maray na banggi po sa Tuya Gabos. Lalong-lalo na po sa mga atleta, mga Bicolano, sa atletang Nagenyo na yaraon po dyan, ang sakuya pong pagsaludo sa Indo Gabos. Aramtaman po baga na ang Palarong Bicol is one avenue that unites Bicolandia. Asin ngunyan na banggi. Ang anom na probinsya, 7 syudad, nagkakasararo na naman para sa saro asin makusog na Bicolandia. I will be very brief. I will take this opportunity to give tribute to the province of Albay and the cities of Ligao, Legazpi, and Tabaco. Yun po pala, yaong kasubago si Mayor Luistro, kang Tabaco City. And, by way of tribute, taarantaman po baga, aroal daw, nagtutugaan mayon, dawa, dainggayo, preparado, yaraon, nagpapailing, kang orag, asin tibay, kang Bicolano. And because of that, please watch. I will invite your attention to the 2 big screens. Ayan po si Congressman Joey Salceda. Dalanot na po ang tribute ng syudad ni Naga para sa Albay asin sa mga syudades kang Albay. Salamat po. Mabuhay po ang Bicolandia. Sararong Bicolano para sa Sarong Bicol. Salamat po.
Sometimes when I feel alone, I close my eyes and say a prayer. I realize that I'm not alone, that you're here by my side. Stumble and fall, I call to you to give me strength and make me feel that I'm not alone. I thank you, Lord, for helping me through. used to care. There's always you I find everywhere. That's why I hang on to my faith, 'cause you make me feel that life is great. And you said, ask and you will receive. Seek and you will find. Knock and the door will be open to you. I have faith in you, I have faith in you, I have faith in you, my Lord. I have
Mayon is an original composition of our very own, the City Mayor of Naga City, Honorable John G. Bongat. A round of applause, ladies and gentlemen.
Good leaders are trailblazers, making a path for others to follow. Great leaders, however, inspire their people to reach higher, dream bigger, and achieve greater. Perhaps the most important leadership skill you can develop is the ability to provide inspiration to your team. Joining us today is indeed a great person. Let us all welcome our Regional Director, Ramon Fiel G. Absede, to introduce the keynote speaker for this afternoon's affair. Of G63 of Camarines Sur, for without this person, this success will not be possible. To introduce our keynote speaker, let us all welcome our beloved District Congressman, Honorable Gabriel Bordado.
Maray na banggi po sa Indugabos. Subago ko na bibisto itong pikpapasabi kan sa tuyang MC. Bago pa lang talaga ako. Itong piksabi kan sa tuyang pong MC para ki Regional Director Absede. O bakit na po si Regional Director Absede. Gusto ko man pong i-acknowledge ang mga bisita ta ngunya digdiyo. Of course, yaon po ang sa tuyang padagat na Vice Presidente kang Pilipinas, Her Excellency Vice President Maria Leni Herona Robredo. Yaon po si Governor Al Francis Bichara kang Albay. Yaon po si Governor Bobet Lee Rodrigueza kang Sorsogon. Governor Joseph Coa kang Catanduanes. Yaon po si Vice Governor Fortunato Peña kang Camarines Sur. Yaon si PSC Regional Coordinator Dorothy Neil Duruin. Yaon po of course ang satuyang DepEd Regional Director Ramon Fiel Absedi. Yaon man po ang satuyang Schools Division Superintendent kang Naga City, Mr. William Gando. Kaiba na po ang sa iyang Assistant Schools Division Superintendent, Manny Di Guzman, asin ang gabuspong mga opisyales kang Department of Education. Uro pa kanta po sinda. Karibanan tamandigdiyo ang sakuyang mga pag-iriba sa Kongreso. Yaon po si Congressman Joey Salceda kang Albay. Yaon po si Congressman Fernando Gonzales kang Albay. Yaon po si Congressman Cesar Sarmiento kang Catanduanes. Ang mga alkalde, subago na dangog na si Mayor John Bongat, na iyo po ang nag-compose katong kantang ito. Sabi katong sa tuyang MC, magayuno naman rin na kanta. Mayor John Bongat kan Siyudad ning Naga. Yaon po si Mayor Madeleine Alflor Gasmin kang Iriga. Mayor Patricia Gonzales Algua kang Ligaw. Yaon po si Mayor Sally Lee kang Sorsogon City. Yaon po si Mayor Cielo Crisel Lagman Luistro kan Tabaco. And ang pinakapamayo po kang Naga City Philippine National Police Director Jonathan Panganiban. Yaon man po ang mga Vice Mayor. Si Vice Mayor Nelson Ligacion kan Naga. Vice Mayor Ruby Morano. Vice Mayor Sherwin Kissing. Vice Mayor Nestor San Pablo. Mga board members, mga councilors, asin iba pa pong mga local government unit officials. Of course, ang mga athletes, coaches, trainers, technical officials, and ang mga kamagurangan. Subago po, I had been assuring and reassuring the Vice President that my message would be very short. So I came up with a prepared speech. I am deeply honored to welcome all of you to our beloved city, Naga City, the heart of Bicol. Once again, Naga City is hosting the Palarong Bicol, which has for decades served not only as the avenue to gather all the top athletes in the region, but also to express our solidarity with each other. Indeed, now more than ever, we need solidarity as we face off with the realities and challenges on the grounds, including the urgent need of reaching out to our fellow Bicolanos in Albay. Let's give a round of applause to the people of Albay, now bearing the full brunt of Mayon's literal fire and fury. So on this note, ladies and gentlemen, I am hoping and praying that the Palarong Bicol will be an unqualified success. Let the games begin. Mabuhay po ang Bicol! Mabuhay po ang Palarong Bicol! Mabuhay po Kitagabos!
Thank you so much, Congressman Gabriel Bodado, for continuously touching the lives of our young generations through your actions and words of wisdom. You are indeed an inspiration. And at this moment, our Regional Director, Ramon Fiel G. Absede, to introduce the keynote speaker for this afternoon's affair.
Mga kababayan, mga kabataang manlalaro, mga kabataang mag-aaral, mga Kariyon 5, the ever-resilient Bicolanos, I have the honor to introduce to all of you the Vice President of the Republic of the Philippines, Vice President Maria Leonor Herona Robredo.
Ayun. Mabalos na maray, magturuko po kita. Maray na banggi sa Indogabos. Ayan. Subago po, pigdadalan ko si Parada, garo nagbabaralik sa ko si Gabos kong pinag-agihan. Sabi ko, puon pala 1999. Hanggang ngunyan, garo primerong pagkakataon ngunya na banggi, na nag-a-attender ako ning opening ning Palarong Bicol, na bako akong magurang ning atleta. Taon-taon, puon kang si Sakuyang Matua, si Aika, nagbabali sa palaro hanggang sa Sakuyang pinakanguhod, yaon ako sa gabos na opening kang Palarong Pambansa, bit-bit ang gabos na gamit, bako lang si mga bulusan pero pati merindalan bilang sarong magurang. Kaya kang matararam na pinakiulayan ko si Congressman Gabi. Sabi ko, rikasan sa na ang pagtaram. Taparagal na yan mga aking iyan. Paragal naman si mga magurang na nagbabarantay. Paragal na si mga DepEd na nagpara-arasikaso sa inda. Paragal na ang mga LGU officials gusto na magpuruli. Ano? Pero bago ako magpaaram, duwa lang ang mensahe. Primero, para sa satuyang mga atleta, congratulations. Bilang sarong magurang ning mga atleta, aram ko na dai suba-suba. An sa indong presensya ngo niya nabanggi. Pawis at dugo. An sa indong itinao para mag-qualify digdiyo sa Palarong Bicol. Kaya gabos kamong yaon digding mga atleta, gana na kamo gabos dahil you earned your place, you earned your participation in the Palarong Bicol. Good luck sa mga masunod na aldaw. Sa mga atleta, aramtan na iyon ni ang highlight kang taon-taon. Pinagpagalan ninda ini. Bako lang ning sarong taon, pero pirang taon pinagpagalan para makasali sinda ngunyan. Kaya good luck, i-enjoy ta ang satuyang experience. Dahil pag kita nagururang na, pag kamo nagururang na, perminindong babalikan. Si mga taon, nayaon kamo digdiyo, nakikipagkompetensya. Pag kamo nagdarakula na kamo na ang mag-aramigo, mag-aramiga. Si sakuyang mga aki hanggang ngunyan, si mga nasasabatan sa palaro, hanggang ngunyan, iyuman giraray ang hugos na mga amigo. Panduang mensahe sa kapinakahuri. Mensahe ning pasasalamat. Ini ang dainahihiling kan iba. Na bago kita makaabot sa momentong ini, ang pagal na idinusay kan sa tuyang mga DepEd official susto na sana. Kaya sa satuyang DepEd officials, syempre sa panginginot ni R.D. Absede, saka ni Sir Gando, na iyo ang host DepEd office, sigabos na mga teachers, sigabos na mga administrador kan DepEd, mabalos sa Indogabos. Panduwa, salamat sa satuyang coaches, salamat sa satuyang technical officials, aram ko man na taon-taon, iyo niyo ang sakripisyong pigigibo nindo. Bako sana sa panahon kang palaro, pero sa araal daw na ginibo kan Diyos, pinagpipreparan ang momentong iniyo. Ang pinakahuring dapat pasalamatan, pero bako man si pinakadikit na ikontriber, dahil kung mayo sinda, dai mangyayari ini ang satong mga local officials. Ang unya nabanggi kaibanan ta ang nagkakapirang governor, Governor Al Francis Bichara kang Albay, Governor Joseph Cua kang Catanduanes, Governor Bobet Lee Rodrigueza kang Sorsogon, yaon man po si Vice Governor Ato Peña kang Camarines Sur, balita ko subago yaon si Vice Governor Jonah Pimentel kang Camarines Norte, si Satuya pa pong ibang local officials, yaon digdi si Satuya mga mayors, syempre sa panginginot kang Satuyang host mayor, ang matibayon na mayor kang Naga, Mayor John Bongat, yaon man po Mayor Madel Alfelor kang Iriga, Mayor Pati Gonzales Algua kang Ligao, Mayor Sally Lee kang Sorsogon, Mayor Crisel Lagman Luistro kang Tabaco, ang nakaulay ko kasuod ma si Mayor Noel Rosal, mahabol siya ngunyan. Ayaon man po si Satuyang dahilan kung taano igwa kitang gagastuson. Ang ngunyan na palaro, ang naga-aprobar kan Satuyang budget. Ayaon po ang Satuyang mga Congressman Gabi Bordado kang 3rd District of Camarines Sur, Congressman Joey Salceda kang Albay, Congressman Nando Gonzales kang Albay, subago po yaon da si Congressman Cesar Sarmiento kang Catanduanes, ayaon man digdiyo sa tuyang PSC Regional Director Dorothy Miel Doroin, maray na banggi po sir, sa indo po gabos na nagtarabang, nagparagal, sa tuyang mga performers, sa tuyang mga singers, sigabos na mga officials kang City Hall kang Naga, kang DepEd Naga, mabalos sa indong maray ang satuyang pagpaabot ning dakulang pasasalamat sa gabos na pagal na idinanay nindo. Sana iniyong palaro na niyo permitang ginigirumdum na iniyo sarong dakulaon na entablado para ipahiling ta ang husay, ang pagkauragon kan mga Bicolano. Pero sa pagsabi ta po kani gusto tang tawanan ning espesyal na pasasalamat ang satuyang mga official sa mga atleta kang Albay, saka sa mga syudad kang Albay, ang Ligao, ang Legazpi, ang Tabaco, na sa tahaw kang kadakol na problema duman sa inda, pigrekonosir ninda kung gaano kahalaga ang okasyon na iniyo. Dawa kadakol ning kadipisilan, pinadaraman giraray ang sa indang mga atleta. Kaya iyan po nagpapahiling. Nadawa sa tahaw ning kadakol na kadipisilan, kita saro sa ng pamilya, sarong rehiyon, sarong Bicol nun. Kaya sa indo po, ang samuyang pagsaludo, mabalos na maray, good luck sa satuyang mga atleta, maray na banggi sa indo gabos.
Thank you so much, Madam Maria Leonor Herona Robredo, the Vice President of the Republic of the Philippines, for taking time to be with us. It is truly an honor and privilege to have you in this grandiose sport activity. Presentation of plaque of appreciation, token and bouquet by our Regional Director Ramon Fiel G. Absedi, together with our Schools Division Superintendent William E. Gando. A round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Of course, this event will not be completed without recognizing the presence of the participants. To present them, may I call in the Chief of the Education Support and Services Division of Region 5, Engineer Ronald C. Asis.
Ma'am Lenny Robredo, the Vice President of the Republic of the Philippines, Deputy officials headed by Ardimon of SEDE, the governors, congressmen of the Bicol region, of course the city mayors, deputy officials, special mention to SDS Gando, ASDS Money, coaches, officiating officials, athletes, other sports enthusiasts, magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. May I present to you the delegates of the 6 provincial divisions and 7 city divisions of Region 5. From Albay Division, with 864 delegates headed by SDS Bibiano I. Cintillas. From Camarines Norte Division, with 724 delegates headed by OIC SDS Sir Wilfredo Guevara. From the division of Camarines Sur, with 928 delegates, headed by SDS Arnolfo Balane. From the division of Catanduanes, with 628 delegates headed by SDS Socorro B. De La Rosa. From the division of Masbate Province, with 620 delegates headed by SDS Jose L. Doncillo. From the division of Sorsogon Province, with 760 delegates, headed by SDS Loida Nedia. From Legazpi City Division, ilang ba ito? 715? 715. With 715 delegates, headed by SDS Cecil Bernadette Rivera. From Irigas City Division, with 498 delegates, headed by SDS Cristito M. Morcilla. From Ligao City Division, with 332 delegates, headed by SDS Maria Luisa P. Samaniego. From the division of Masbate City, with 476 delegates, headed by SDS Nene R. Mirioles. From the division of Sorsogon City, with 408 delegates, headed by SDS Nimpa D. Guemo. From the division of Tabaco City, with 441 delegates headed by SDS Evangeline P. Palencia. And the last but not the least, the host division, the division of Naga City. With 827 delegates headed by Mr. Transformation SDS William E. Gando. Of course, we would like also to present to you a total of 1,100 technical officials coming from the different divisions of Region 5, serving for 27 events, 24 regular events, 3 demo sports, and the special events. The technical officials from the whole Bicol region. So we have a total of almost 9,271, nearing to an estimated 10,000 participants in this 2018 Palarong Bicol. We hope for a very memorable Palarong Bicol this 2018. Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat.
Thank you, Engineer Ronald Assis.
And now, let's be entertained with this intermission number to share and inspire us through their golden voices. Applause, ladies and gentlemen, to the spectacular, the multi-talented, the Ariola Sisters.
Hello.
Mama told me not to waste my life. She says, pray always, my little butterfly. Don't let what they say keep you up at night, and they can give you, and they can walk on by. Feet can't touch the ground, and I can't hear a sound. But you just keep on walking up your line. Yeah, walk on over there. It's time to fight to care. Oh yeah, your words don't mean a thing. I'm not listening. Keep talking. All I know is Mama told me not to waste my life. She says, pray always, my little butterfly. Don't let what they say keep you up at night, and they can detain you. These wings are made to fly, and we don't let nobody bring us down. No matter what you say, it won't hurt me. But I'm fine, no matter if I fall from the sky. These wings are made to fly. Hey, 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 hey! I don't hear no one say, hey, 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 hey! Gonna keep on walking. I don't wanna hear you talking, boy. Better keep on walking. I don't wanna hear you talking. Your words don't mean a thing. I'm not listening. You're talking. All I know is Mama told me not to waste my life. She said, pray always, my little butterfly. Don't let what they say keep you up at night, and they can detain you. These wings are made to fly, and we won't let nobody bring us down. No matter what you say, it won't hurt me. Butterfly, no matter if I fall from the sky. These wings are made to fly, and we don't let nobody bring us down. No matter what you say, it won't hurt me. Butterfly, no matter if I fall
I'm sorry for you, babe. Let's find a light inside of the universe now, where ain't nobody keep on holding us down. Just come and get it, let them say what they say, 'cause I'm about to put them all away. Oh, babe. 1, 2, 3, come on, girls. No, like it. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba-da. No, no. Oh, babe. Let's find a light inside our universe now, where ain't nobody keep on holding us down. Just come and get it, let them say what they say, 'cause I'm about to put them all away. That is amazing. Thank you, Bob.
Thank you, ladies.
At this juncture, let us welcome the entrance of the Palarong Bicol banner by the selected CAT unit of Camarines Sur National High School for the turnover and acceptance of the Palarong Bicol hosting. Ladies and gentlemen, may I request Congressman Joey Sarte Salceda of the 2nd District of Albay to represent the Mayor of Legazpi City, Honorable Noel D. Rosal, with the DepEd officials, SDS Cecile Bernadette P. Rivera, and ASDS Norma B. Samantela, for the turnover.
And for the acceptance to host this year's Palarong Bicol, may I request the presence of our City Mayor, Honorable John G. Bonga, with the DepEd officials, Schools Division Superintendent William E. Gando, CESO 6, and Assistant Schools Division Superintendent Mariano B. de Guzman.
the modern times with ancient Greece, conveying a sense of continuity and an air of respectability and authority.
The torchbearers are actual athletes by blood and by heart. This family competed silently yet brought pride in Naga City in various sporting events, both in local and international arena.
The first torchbearer is Nelba Olaira Olaso. She was awarded as Outstanding Athlete of the Year when she graduated in elementary and high school. In 1972, she won the gold medal in high jump in the first interscholastic meet held at Vigan, Ilocos Sur. From then on, she received numerous awards in high jump, long jump, 100 hurdles, and heptathlon, both local and national games. She also participated in friendship games held in Singapore and Malaysia. She also submitted herself to Gintong Alay to further enhance her skills. She won 4th place in the 9 SEA Games in Jakarta, Indonesia. Accredited official and coach in athletics.
At this point, the torch is now received by Jennifer Olaso Harris, gold medalist in high jump, triple jump, and 100 hurdles in the Palarong, Bicol from 1988 to 1992. Bronze medalist in 100 hurdles, Palarong, Pambansa. Gold medalist in high jump, triple jump in the National Open Invitational Games, Junior Division. Received various awards in provincial, regional, and national Prizaa. Silver medalist in triple jump, Palarong, Pambansa, 1997.
Finally, the torch is handed over to Charlemagne Gail Olaso Harris, who exhibits outstanding sports qualities as a player. Indeed, she was a bronze medalist in 100-meter dash last Palarong Bicol 2016. hardship earned is finally lighted. Applause to the Olaso family for bringing the flame that symbolizes knowledge, spirit, and victory here at Metro Naga Sports Complex.
The flame of peace and harmony. May this light continue to glow to eradicate darkness in our society and brighten up our future.
To be a player and later on an athlete requires a lot of effort, dedication, and commitment. It is somehow putting oneself in one commitment where you are expected to be honest and you are aware of your accountability to your team as a whole.
To lead the athletes for the oath of sportsmanship and amateurism, may I call on Jane Finella R. Bongat, Naga City swimmer.
Itaas po ninyo ang inyong kanang kamay at sumunod sa akin. Kami, mga manlalarong kumakatawan sa iba't ibang samahang pampalakasan, nakalahok sa DepEd Palarong Bicol 2018, ay nagpapahayag sa pamamagitan nito na kami ay mga baguhan at nangangakong makikipagpaligsahan sa mga larong ito sa diwa ng tunay na pakikipaglaro. Patnubayan nawa tayo ng poong may kapal.
Let us clap our hands for Jade Finella R. Bongat. And to all the athletes, good luck and more power!
To lead the delegation heads with their team on the pledge of officiating officials, let us call in the TMC Vice Chairman, Bicol Region Athletic Association, Al P. Pilgone. Tama po, ma-pledge kaya.
To all officials, kindly raise your right hand and follow after me. Please rise. We, the officiating officials, renew our dedication to the missions which have been given to us. Respect and abide by the rules that govern 2018 Palarong Bicol in the spirit of sportsmanship for the glory of sports and honor of the officiating officials, coaches, athletes. We promise to officiate and work together to support the principle of fairness, respect, responsibility, and safety in sports. We promise to work in partnership with the national, regional, and all local sporting bodies to prevent and deal with appropriate behavior including discrimination, harassment, favoritism, biases, and other form of abuses. With this, we do hereby promise to love and improve and protect the integrity of the Palaro 2018. So help me God.
Thank you very much.
At this point, let's welcome the 2018 students of Camarines Sur National High School for the release of balloons. May I request again the presence
our Regional Director Ramon Fiel G. of SEDI to formally open the Palarong Bicol 2018 with the presence of the delegation heads, officials, festival kings and queens.
We are here, we are proud. We want the world to come to us and be a part of our hopes, of our dreams, of our new beginning. We will make a different start. We will now open up our door, a city like you've never seen before. Come feel the vibrance, come hear us shout. Experience magic, come to the south. With one proud city, we welcome you. What you've been looking for, we have it too. With our commitment, we want you to know that we are here and we're about to show that Naga smiles to the world. 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 Naga smiles. Naga smiles to the world.
Ako na. By virtue of the power vested in me by the Secretary of the Department of Education, Secretary Leonor Magtolis Briones, and as Regional Director of DepEd Region 5, I hereby declare Palarong Bicol 2018 open. Let the games begin!
Basketball and volleyball courts to pave way to the third part of our program.
Of our new beginning, we will make a different start. We will now open up our door, a city like you've never seen before. Come feel the vibrance, come hear us shout. Experience magic, come to the south. With one proud city, we welcome you. What you've been looking for, we have it too. With our commitment, we want you to know that we are here and we're about to show that Naga smiles to the world. Naga smiles to the world.
Again, may I request the athletes to vacate the grounds. Please move forward to the basketball and volleyball courts to pave way to the third part of our program.
To the world.
Pwede mo na sir, introduce po.
We are proud. We want the world to come to us and be a part of our hopes, of our dreams, of our new beginning. We will make a different start. We will now open up our door, a city like you've never seen before. a different start. We will now open up our door, a city like you've never seen before. Come feel the vibrance, come hear us shout. Experience magic, come to the south. We welcome city, we welcome you. What you've been looking for, we have it too. With our commitment, we want you to know that we are here and we're about to show that Naga smiles to the world.
Our performers will depict the Pangalay Lolay Linyangit. It's a traditional fingernail dance of Tausug people, ethnic group of the Sulu Archipelago, Sabah, Malaysia, and Indonesia.
The dance is the most distinctive Asian of all the southern Philippine dances because dancers must have dexterity and flexibility of shoulders, elbows, and wrists.
The dance also means offering from its Sanskrit origin, pang-alay, predominantly performed during festive events. Let us be entertained as we witness the dance formations and field demonstrations by the selected 5,000 high school students of Camarines Sur National High School.
Oh, it's a beautiful world, it's a beautiful life. Alright. Oh, it's a beautiful world, it's a beautiful life. Make your move and make love till the sunshine. Hey, it's a beautiful world, it's a beautiful life. Make your move and make love till the sunshine.
Sexy ladies going crazy, put your hands in the air. We can party, get retarded, acting like we don't care. All my fellas popping bottles, put your drinks in the sky. Glass is high, feel the vibe. It's a beautiful life. Hey.
Never stay lonely, it could be forever. Be yourself, go live your life.
Let's go, come on, come on.
Don't you feel lonely? We can stay together, we could spend a wonderful time. Oh, it's a beautiful world, it's a beautiful life. Make a move and make love till the sunshine. Hey, it's a beautiful world, it's a beautiful life. Move and make love till the sunshine. Watch out, baby. proud. We want the world to come to us and be a part of our hopes, of our dreams, of our new beginning. We will make a different start. We will now open up our door. A city like you've never seen before. Come feel the vibrance, come hear us shout. Experience magic, come to the sound. With one cross city we welcome you. What you've been looking for, we have it too. With our commitment, we want you to know that we are here and we're about to show that Naga smiles to the world. 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 We are proud. We want the world to come to us and be a part of our hopes, of our dreams, of our new beginning. We will make a different start. We will now open up our door. A city like you've never seen before. Come feel the vibrance, come hear us shout. Experience magic, come to the sound. With one cross city we welcome you. What you've been looking for, we have it too. With our commitment, we want you to know that we are here and we're about to show that Naga smiles to the world. 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 Naga smiles to the world.
Ladies and gentlemen, the spectacular fireworks display!
We are here, we are proud. We want the world to come to us and be a part of our hopes, of our dreams, of our new beginning. We will make a different start. We will now open up our door. A city like you've never seen before. Come feel the vibrance, come hear us shout. Experience magic, come to the sound. With one cross city we welcome you. What you've been looking for, we have it too. With our commitment, we want you to know that we are here and we're about to show that Naga smiles to the world. 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 Naga smiles to the world.
Words are not enough to express how grateful we are as Nagaños to be the host of the 2018 Palarong Bicol. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Joseph S. Avila with Lucille Bilano Alonso.
Thank you very much for gracing this occasion. To all the men and women who work so hard to make this event possible, our gratitude to all of you.
Ladies and gentlemen, the Naga City Technical Working Committee for Palarong Bicol 2018 and the David Naga City Production Team.
We have it too. With our commitment, we want you to know that we are here and we're about to show that Naga smiles to the world. Naga smiles to the world. us and be a part of our hopes, of our dreams, of our new beginning. We will make a different start. We will now open up our doors.
Technical Working Committee, Accommodation Amenities, Debit Focal Persons, Engineer Jun Marie Aguilar and Marie Christine Ignacio, LGU Focal Persons, Engineer Ernel Adoque and Engineer Christopher Arce, Exhibit and Fairs, Hernan E. Bobis and Solomon R. Sales, together with Mr. Alex Santos. Awards and Ceremonies, Marlene B. Aguilar, Maria Teresa Ruizo, Mr. Noel A. Aban, Mr. Mark Anthony Angeles. Field Demonstration, Sulpicio Alvarez III, Nympha C. Regalado, Pemi Polvorosa, Mr. Jefferson Achas. Likewise, we would like to acknowledge the UNC NCF MAPE Majors Practicumers. And of course, the class advisors of these 5,000 high school students of Kamhay.
Budget, Finance, Procurement, Supplies, and Sports Equipment, Salvacion T. Verona, Mary Ann Encila, Melita Canton, together with Mr. Hernani B. Soron and Mr. Ray Bantog. Food Services, we have Ma'am Adelina L. Dinido, Gemma Falabi, with Mr. Josan Celo and Miss Josephine Suazon. General Service Security, Traffic and Parking Management, Sharmito Motorgo, Mary Ann Rosario, with Naga City Police Director.
Program and Invitation, Corazon Fatima Celerio, Teresita Irma S. Dico, Mrs. Josephine Tuazon. Program Sequence, Choreography and Execution, Jobert P. Narvaez and Mama Marina Govino, together with Mr. Alan Rayon Danga. Opening and Closing Parade, Benedict Warren Obante and Mr. Romel Napukaw, together with Mr. Noel A. Aban.
Solidarity Meeting and Refresher Course, Neil Romano Manaog and Noemi Macalya, together with Mr. Francis Justin Barha. Program and Distribution, Emily E. Brofas, Mary Ann A. Papica, together with Mr. Augusto Celo, Mr. Francis Justin Barha. Reception and Entertainment, Gina B. Bobis, Nancy Sibayan, together with Miss Zaida Rifarial.
Grandstand Management, Gerardo Brizuela, together with Maria Corazon Verde Flor and Mr. Edmar Barotillo. Media and Publicity, Game Results and Communication, Pepito Evangelista, together with Salvador Ferro III and Mr. Alan Rayon Danga. Medical Services, Dr. Joan G. Sebastian and May Magdalena V. Yorobe, together with Dr. Butch Borja and Dr. Joey Blasco. Newsletter and Photo Documentation, Annalisa F. Abulo, together with Irma De Jesus and Mr. Alan Rayon Danga.
Quality Assurance, Francisco Leo J. Damasic, Joretse Carandang, and Joseph M. Condeno, and Mr. Hernani B. Soron. Socials and Cultural Night, Joseph Condeno, Eleazar Francis A. Fernandez, together with Mr. Alex Santos. Ways and Means, Jerome H. Baldemoro and Joanne Dulong, and Mr. Florencio T. Mongoso.
For the souvenir program, we have Baby Ruby Lorente, Norbelia Avila, Mr. Alan Rayon Danga, and Mr. Alex Santos. Sounds and Lights, Antonio Paloro and Ireneo Biquilio, together with Mr. Roderick P. Darila. Ashers and Asherettes, Maria Belen Q. Lorcha, and Elsa Malapo, together with Miss Zaida Referial. Playing venues, Elvin B. Monroy and Oscar Chavez, together with Mr. Ray Bantog.
Transportation, Michael Del Rosario and Michael Basister, together with Miss Nora Saniel. Administration Support and Services, Joretse Carandang and May Gavino, together with Mr. Hernani B. Soron. Clean and Green, Jeremy Tomotorgo, with Engineer Joel Martin.
Ladies and gentlemen, the DepEd Naga City production team.
To start with, we have Ma'am Pemi Polvorosa,
Clark Aquino,
Darin I. Aboga,
Levi San Jose,
Resty Masbate,
Marlon Aquino,
Ramon Jeronimo,
Lucille P. Alonso,
Joseph S. Avila,
Paulo Joshua Sarmiento,
Pinky Estrella,
Carl Joseph Talento,
Hill Depositario,
Malu Labao,
Esther Reyes,
Niña Cibulo,
Julie Sabalyegue,
Maria P. Hera,
James Carlo Witt,
Marina Gavino,
Alan Riondanga from the Sepio of LGU Naga,
and the overall chairman of the DepEd Naga production team.
and the executive director of the 2018 Palarong Bicol,
Dr. Jobert P. Narvaez. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Good evening, Naga.
Good evening.